Pizza! We want pizza! We want pizza! We want pizza! Hey guys! Welcome to the Funhouse! I'm Khara. And today we're going to be making fidget spinner pizzas! Yay! And our ingredients are pizza bases, our templates, a pizza cutter, very sharp, spoon, our tomato sauce, pepperoni and mozzarella cheese. Yeah. And we're going to be making something really cool. I might try to make mine spin. Yeah. So I'm going to start cutting my pizza. Be careful. Yeah, be careful with the pizza cutter because it's really sharp.
Go all the way around the template to get that fidget spinner shape.
Yeah. All the way around the template.
Wow, fidget spinner shapes. You gonna do yours, Khara?
Yeah. Guys, our pizzas are cut out. Now we just need to put on the toppings. Let's put some tasty toppings on. Yeah, tasty. Tasty. Oh yeah, and I've got some extra bits so I can make mine spin. This small one goes in the middle, and these two ones are the finger pads. But we're going to save them for later. So first, we just need tomato sauce. There's the spoon. Get a little bit and then put it in the middle here. Now it's Carter's turn to put on the sauce. Yep. Mr. Saucy. You're Mr. Saucy Pants. Wow! Here's it looks amazing. Yeah, mine looks tasty. Now we just need to put on the mozzarella cheese. And then pepperoni. Mr. Pepperoni. Yum. Now we just need to put on the pepperoni. Mr. Pepperoni. Okay, let's put this plate. Mine's all done. There. You seem like Frank. Ooh, mine looks yummy. So does yours. Thanks. Yours looks delicious. Yep. Now we're going to have to ask for a grown-up to put it in the oven. Because your oven's very hot. And you don't want to burn yourself. Yeah. Mom, can you put fidget spinner pizzas on?
Oh, they look so nice. Oh, let me see.
Wow.
Awesome. Ooh, I might have to try one of these.
Yeah. Really, you're going to try mine. See you on the other side. Bye. The pepperoni's yummy, Khara, isn't it? Yeah. I gotta look every day. I got bills. I gotta pay. I gotta look every day. Yeah. Pizza. We want pizza. We want pizza. We want pizza. Guys, our pizzas are ready. And mine doesn't spin.
Oh, does it taste nice though?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Is that on your mouth cut?
Yours looks awesome, Khara. Are you really proud of your fidget spinner pizza?
I wish it could spin.
I know. We'll have to keep practicing, won't we, and see if we can make one that spins.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like
Oh, it's a little bit fluffy.
yes.
It's our first time making fidget spinner pizzas, isn't it? Maybe we'll keep making them and perfect them, eh?
I'm trying to make it lemons.
Was it fun to make them?
Yeah. Yeah. It's yummy.
Yeah?
Super yummy. So try to make this at home to see if yours can spin or do any cool things.
Khara's got a cool trick. Khara's got a 2-spiked fidget spinner now, haven't you, Khara?
Yeah.
It looks like a boomerang now.
Boomerang. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.